Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So just a quick little video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your DJI Wireless Mic 2 to the Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 actually has pretty good audio. I've been very impressed with it, but there are those situations where sometimes you do want a wireless microphone. Things like motovlogging, or if you're going to be doing some commentary or recording and you're not really close to the camera and you need some distance for your audio. Something like the DJI Mic 2 is a great choice. Especially if you're going to be filming in 360, you don't have to worry about any hardware being in the shot or adding any additional equipment to the camera. It also allows the X4 to remain waterproof because you don't have to have the USB-C port door open, so you can connect a microphone adapter. So it is a great choice, and you can purchase this separately on places like Amazon or right directly from DJI. It's a great little microphone and it's not overly expensive. So what we're going to do is power on our X4, and then we're going to power on the DJI mic by pressing and holding the power button. Now, if your microphone is brand new and you haven't had it connected to any devices, you can just go right in and connect it directly. If you've already had it connected to another device, sometimes you have to clear that Bluetooth information out first so the camera will be able to recognize it. And if that's the case, all you have to do is press and hold the power button and the linking button. You just want to press and hold it. And you can see that light has now turned blue. And as mentioned, that step you may not have to do if it's a brand new device. So now to connect it to the X4, what we're going to do is swipe down from the top to bring up our settings. And then we're going to swipe over. And this icon here of the wireless headphones, we're going to click on that. And this has put the camera into pairing mode. It's searching for a wireless microphone. So now we're going to put the DJI Mic 2 into pairing mode. And we do so by pressing and holding the link button. Now it's flashing fast. That means it is in pairing mode. And then you just have to wait for the camera to recognize the microphone. Sometimes it can take upwards of 20 to 30 seconds. And there we go. You can see it's now picked up the microphone, DJI Mic 2, under other devices. So we're going to click on that. And there we go. We get confirmation that the Bluetooth headphones have been connected. So we can exit out of there. And you know it's connected properly when you get that icon up at the top right-hand side. The picture of the wireless headphones. Now I'm just going to show you this here. If we go ahead and power off the camera and we power off the microphone, when we power them back on, you'll notice that it doesn't reconnect automatically. You actually have to turn it back on. Now it doesn't need to be paired again. So again, we'll swipe down, swipe over, we'll click on that button, and it's going to search for the microphone and it will just go ahead and automatically connect. You can see there, it picked up the DJI microphone and it just went ahead and connected. So you don't have to do that pairing procedure every time. And for the most part, that's okay because you're not going to be using a wireless microphone every time you're using the camera. So you just turn on the external microphone feature when you need it. So yeah, folks, just a quick video showing you how to pair your DJI Wireless Mic 2 to the Insta360 X4. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. And we'll see you in the next one.